People are looking for ways to get more nutrition into their meals. As a registered dietitian, I'm excited to talk to you about Enrichables, Kale and Fiber by Pampered Chef. Enrichables makes it easy to enrich your favorite family meals. We know there are a lot of green powders out there, but here's what makes Enrichables, Kale and Fiber unique. First, it's vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, made without nuts, and has no added fillers or flavors. Each packet is made from 2 cups of freeze-dried kale and includes 8 grams of prebiotic soluble fiber from chicory root. Kale provides vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals and antioxidants. And prebiotic fiber helps to promote digestive health. Each packet is designed to give a boost to a recipe that serves 4, or feel free to adjust as needed. The great news is Enrichables works in almost any recipe. Here's how easy it is to use. Just pour it in, stir, and serve. For sauces, spreads, dressings, and soups, stir in thoroughly before serving. For drinks and smoothies, add to the ingredients before mixing or blending. You can even add an entire packet to your smoothie for a big boost of kale and fiber. For pasta and rice, add to the dish after cooking. For batters and doughs, mix well with the dry ingredients and bake as usual. For ground meat, add once the meat is browned. Once you start using Enrichables, you'll see just how easy it is to boost your everyday meals.